So these bubble plates are a lot of fun. You got to choose a good color that contrasts with the background. So I choose white as the background for the top of the plate. And with underglazes, you want on these plates about 4 to 5 coats so that the clay doesn't show through. On the top, I'm on the 5th coat here. And then I'm going to go in and do the bottom. The bottom, I'm going to do the same color that I want to use for the top of the plate for the bubbles. And same thing, I'm going to do 4 to 5 coats. I believe this one is the 5th coat. In between each layer, make sure it dries to leather hard before you put on another coat. So here I have one that I have fired to bisque, so now it's the underglaze on the plate has now connected to the plate. I'm ready to blow the bubbles. So in this I'm going to take a little cup, a little bit of underglaze, and then pour some dish soap into that cup. Mix it up, and then I put a teeny little bit of water into the cup. With a straw I mix it all up, and then I blow hard enough that the bubbles spill over. So here I am blowing the bubbles, and I kind of make a little path so that the bubbles are spread out. You don't want to pop the bubbles, you let the bubbles pop themselves. Then I just let it sit. The bubbles need to be all popped, and they need the underglaze to be completely dried. And then you're going to coat it with a clear glaze. I just do a real thin clear glaze, and then I fire it again.